Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about luxury goods and accessories business easy and quick. So first of all let's type it on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. You can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. Here's choose an account. Now wait a few seconds for building this store. So the first thing you have to do, go to the online stores and go to the themes. So here you can change, you can customize the themes. You can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Just click add and wait to install in the theme. So once the theme is installed, you can click here publish and you can customize it on your homepage store. So click here and it will take you to your homepage store. So here you have the style of your homepage store. You can make it like a desktop or like mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it. I'm gonna keep it just like this, like a desktop style. So here you have the settings where you can design your site if you want. You can add a section if you want to add something new. You can click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. For example, image banner. You can make it here. You can put it at any place you want. Just hold on it like this and you can move it here. So for example, add the image banner section. You can add wherever you want. So first here we have the header. We have here you can change the desktop logo position. Also you can change the menu type. You can change the desktop menu type, the sticky header. Here you can show separator line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. Here you can change the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. Here the same settings, you can edit the same settings. Here you can put your social media links, your Twitter link, or Facebook link, or Pinterest, or Instagram, or whatever you want to add here. Now let's move on to the logo. So here you can select your logo. You have to select it from your library, of course. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. Luxury luxury goods logo idea. So for example, let's choose this. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it at any time you want. You can edit here the desktop logo width. So let's move on now to the next section. So here you have the template. You can manage here the image banner section. So here you have two images. You can add the first image or the second image. For example, let's select upload some image from the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want here. Select uh, any photo you want. So just push it here and it will be uploaded. Now let's move on the next Here you can add the second image. You can here edit the image overlay opacity. You can edit the image, the banner height. Also you can here change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment, the color scheme. Also here you can change the animations. You can change the animation section. You can edit the image behavior. Here you can edit the mobile content alignment. Here you can turn this on, stack image on mobile. You can also show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next sections. This is the heading of the image banner. You can change the heading here. For example, you can generate this text, just describe what this text is about. Luxury luxury goods and accessories. So now click here generate and wait the suggestions. So you can choose from the suggestions here. So for example this, here you can change the hidden size. That's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next. Here also you can generate the description, describe what this text is about. Also luxury goods and accessories. Here you can edit the text style, so as you like. Now let's get back and let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. You can here change the first button link. You can use outline button style. Here if you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and you can add the second button link. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the visual collection. So here also you can generate the text. Click here and describe what this text is about. Luxury goods. Generate the text on the description. Also luxury goods. You can describe what whatever you want here. You can type anything you want. Here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Here you can change the collection. Also you can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. The last section here is the footer section. You can manage it here. You can change the color scheme. You can also show email sign up. You can change the heading generated text. You can enable follow on shop, and also you can show social media icons, and that's it. If you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. After this you can edit the theme settings here. You can edit the logo, your logo. You can edit it here. You can edit the colors, the typography, here the font size scale. So that's it. You can edit the animation section. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now just save this and let's get back to the dashboard. So next step is name your store. So here after you import your products, your first product, and customize your online store, after you add the custom domain and after you add the sharing details, next step is name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, you can change your store email, and that's it. After this, just next step is launch your online store and publish it. And that's it for today. That's how to customize your online store for luxury goods and accessories business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.